it wants me to open the accessibility settings. Hold on. Yes.
Let's go straight into RUNE right off the top here. Because I feel like I'm in a I told you so pattern with RUNE. Because when it broke the 120 way up here, I was like, and it bounced off of it and started going down. That's when I said, let's sell it. And look where we're at now.
Lovely.
Does Coke hold 0 BTC?
Apparently, but it might be Fugazi just for info security. Let me get a hat.
That is fair. Yeah, so me, I like the traditional portfolio of, you know, some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Solana. That seems responsible for me, but everybody's got their own strategy, right?
I'm back. Well,
nothing here is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. Please exercise your own risk tolerance.
What did Ivan call it? This is just bro science. We're just shooting.
Exactly. I love that episode today. What was the guy's name? Kui Chao?
Way cool, that guy.
That was a good episode,
he didn't
yeah.
Anglicize. If I was Asian, I would anglicize my name. I'd be like, I'm Justin. I don't want my anglicized friends calling me Kui Chao.
Oh, shouts out to PG. What's up? Let us know any tickers that you guys want to look at. We will pull them up on the screen right now. I got Bitcoin is crossing the 55 green. It's not closed yet. So, I mean,
everything half price.
Very
Can we look at the bubbles?
Yeah, the bubbles. Let's do that.
The banter bubbles on the weekly. Can you load up the banter bubbles, Theo?
I absolutely can. Ooh. So Mantra is the only one that's up, and whatever the hell this tiny thing is.
Whatever was the most hyped, Virtual was hyped, wasn't it? Down 40%. Trump was hyped, down 31%. So that shows that like crypto is a game of attention. You want to buy when you think someone's going to buy after you.
Yeah, SPX is down. I noticed, I was looking at SPX. Where is it? I might have to sell SPX in 6 hours if it closes the 120 below that. Although it is on a 12-hour.
So welcome everybody to the show. My name's Justin. Don't follow me on Twitter. I tend to go a little bit schizoid on there. I'm very lucky to be riding shotgun with Theo. So I feel like this show is going to be full of different... Well, Theo's just so on it. And I can't wait to just like, I don't know, absorb. It's times like these when they dip, when Bitcoin dips, that if you're feeling a bit bullish, you might start to like enter. So this is, I want to hear about new tokens I've already heard of. Just lay it all on me and I'll try and react like in very simple terms.
Well, I mean, so we can go back to banter bubbles and just see what's going on live, right? But this is still just the top 100. We'd have to like dig deeper into the 900 to 1,000
know about
range.
that UX. Can we look at the top 500, please, Theo?
Can you do 1 to 500, or can you only do ranges of 100?
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean? Isn't it kind of weird? Like, it'd be nice if you could specify like 500 coin range. You'd get too many bubbles, maybe.
Right, you get too many bubbles.
Well, let's go into the 100 to 200.
Yeah, let's definitely have a long
Shouts out to
this.
Coke in the chat. We see ya. Pour one out for Coke today in his RUNE bags.
Pour a Pepsi out for Coke.
Yeah.
Where's my Pepsi? Be right back.
Bet. Okay, so we have the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart 2023 or 2025 edition.
RUNE holders.
It's currently showing a HODL, so we're not necessarily topped out here unless this model's broken, but we could see that it has a target of 147 at the peak of the next range, and then a minimum of 116. This is the rainbow chart, Bitcoin rainbow chart. The top one's still showing accumulate. So Bitcoin rainbow chart.
What is there to look forward to? Trump's in office. There's new what do we look forward to now? Bitcoin ETFs, that's happened. Elections happened. Trump won.
I don't assume that I know what's coming. You know what I mean? But I think there's always this surprise announcement on a Monday or something. Like you never see these things coming. I totally think. I mean, right now we're dealing with these trade wars, right? So I'm in Canada, of course.
Sanctions.
Trump put on this 25% tariff on Canada.
Canada sanctions.
And he said it's because there's too much fentanyl and crime coming across the border. So instead of dealing with the crime and the fentanyl, Trudeau said, okay, we're doing a 25% tariff back. And now Trump's maybe going to go to a 50% tariff, and it's just going to ruin our economy, right? And it's a good time to be maybe holding hard assets like Bitcoin and stuff like that. But who knows, like what the announcement could be tomorrow or the next day or the next week. And I was looking at the monthly closure for Bitcoin, and it actually closed at an all-time high this last month, and we're on February 2nd. And February is traditionally a bullish month for Bitcoin, so I'm actually feeling really bullish at this level. Look where we are. Look where we've come. That was a nice candle closure. Like, it's not a doji dildo.
It could be like this February, a bullish February, where it starts off a little bit choppy.
Exactly. Right? That's what we thought would happen in January.
And then the full moon comes.
Yeah.
And then 115, 100. You wake up the next day, 120. You wake up the next day, 127. Shit. Wow. Awesome. Kind of thing.
So Coke wants to look at the TARIFF coin. I was playing with that a bit yesterday.
TARIFF? That's funny. That's got to be a meme.
Yeah, it is. Let's go back to TARIFF. Moon and Rune chart. Okay, we can have... Oh, wow. Look at this. So I bought it up here, sold it down here, and then it actually came back up. So I should have had more patience. And it's pretty much right back at my buying level where I originally bought it. TARIFF. And then KET. Have you been following the situation with KET on AVAX?
It's gaining momentum? Question mark?
Yeah, look over the last 7 days. Look what KET's been doing.
Lovely.
Yeah, I took a decent KET position recently. That's all.
Was it 1 AVAX or was it 1.5? Okay.
Okay, so let's
I took Theo onto this coin. So I'm not all negativity. Sometimes I'm alpha.
Absolutely. Okay, so Rune
they should call me King Long Pudgy.
King Long Wizard Degen.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get the moon chart out here.
Moon versus Rune. Can you do Moon BTC?
Moon versus Rune.
Can you do Moon BTC versus Rune just for tradition?
Oh God, yeah, I guess. Rune / BTC like that.
It's on Binance. Just don't do slash. You don't have to do a slash. There'll be like a pool
like that.
That's perfect.
That's Rune perfect. Versus BTC. Yeah,
that's just perfect. That's perfect.
So look, it's kind of bouncing off this little bottom here.
Well, it has to because of the speculation ratio. There is a certain price where Rune can't go below because of its thick liquidity. It would just be impossible because people would just add so much more liquidity to the pools. Shouts out Coke. So it does when it's actually gone to its like lowest possible value. To whether
Coke, you're gonna cut it off
when
here?
You're buying Rune, you can get a number at which you're speculating on. So let's say you buy Rune at a speculation price of 1.2. That means only 20% of it is a speculation. So like back when it was $7, like not that long ago, I shouldn't do that with my arm, should I? Sorry. Back when it was $7 a few weeks ago, the speculation was like 5. Get it? So like you're getting Rune at a speculation price. Anyway, it would bounce back eventually. Do you know what I mean? And also there was this there was this vote, and I love following Coke on Twitter because I get all the Rune news notifications, and the vote passed, and then it had a little it's nice. It's nice to see it bounce, definitely.
Yeah, I get notifications every time Coke comments.
Can we watch some Nick? What's Nick talking about?
I don't have sound. Like I don't think you would hear this. Like you can't hear that, right?
No.
No, like you could play it on your screen, but because I'm on Firefox, it doesn't work for sound. That's one of the problems with this current setup with StreamYard. But if you're on Chrome, you could probably do it.
No, I'm sure. Apparently, Coke hasn't had much sleep. So
bonding Rune has 50% APY at the moment. Bonding Rune APY.
Like Rune can't really go below it, and it's just like safe to get in now. Like it's going to be like a long thing in terms of regaining trust and all this shit.
Yeah,
I don't really understand it, but I do find it interesting. Have you connected to any of the apps on THORChain, like THOR?
Yeah, like I've got a key store wallet and all that stuff, but I don't think I hold. Well, maybe I do hold Rune in the key store. Let's see. Where would I go, Coke? Bonding Rune. See, this is why you should just be on the stream. I can't be chatting with you through the chat like this, man. You got to come up, bro up, and get on the stream. Thor swap. That's where I used to go. My friend lost 99% on THORFi.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Okay, let me see if I can show my seed phrase here really quick. Okay, key store. Import.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find my key store here.
Shouts out Burbs' titties.
No, they weren't Burbs' titties.
Okay, but shouts.
Okay, and then I'll just enter my password here live on stream. Okay, great.
Fantastic.
Unlock. Okay. All right, so now we're in. I go to wallet and I can see what I've got.
Bonding is like requires messaging some dude on Discord, I think.
THORChain dashboard.
It's not like staking. It's not like permissionless. I think you need like to be like tied in to bond.
Oh my god, Coke, what are you doing to me here, man?
You need to be mob tied in. Are you going to join the Discord live on air?
We're aping into
talk about the next
Thor swap. Okay, let me just quickly look at this, right? So I've got on THORChain $21. Is that what it says? Yeah. 21 bucks of Rune. So I am a Rune holder. Wow. And then I've got $7 of Bitcoin, 13 bucks of Maya chain, CACAO, 15 bucks of Arbitrum, 9 bucks of Dogecoin, and that's probably it.
Clever.
So yeah, I'm a Rune holder. Okay, and then we're supposed to go to THORChain dashboard here. AI tits are good in hard times. Got it. Okay, great. Shouts out to Eileen each and every. And then this website explains it all, I'm guessing. Is my voice still super bassy? I'm sorry.
Yes, it's super bassy, but it's not unpleasant. It's like actually like very subtle.
The Cobasi report. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. I just gotta like keep the mic way far away from my mouth.
Probably improves it even more. It's not
okay.
Bad at
Well,
all,
is what it is. I don't know. Rune chart, Rune's the moon. So right now this is the new moon, so it's pressing down on the price. And obviously, so in a few days we'll get that bullish full moon that's going to pump it back up.
Once the market makers have given entry to the ETFs and the,
here's my thesis right now. Market makers are pushing everything down so that all these strategic reserves can get their entries, because there's trillions of dollars wanting to come in. They don't want to buy the top, right? So they're fudding, they're pushing everything down as low as possible. They're going to get their perfect entries. And then we skyrocket back up February, March, maybe April, maybe we sell in May. I don't know, but we're going to use TA to try to identify the top. But this back here, like with Bitcoin and all that, that's not the top. There's no shot. There's no shot we hit the top in January of 2025. I'm in disbelief. Where's the psychology of a...
Nothing bad's happened.
Psychology of a crypto market? Or just like a market cycle? This one. Where's my disbelief?
You're in... Stop. Don't negate yourself. Are you in denial?
So I'm in disbelief here. This rally will fail like the others.
Perfect. That's perfect. I'm so glad it's in that position. So next Sunday we'll do hope, okay?
Yeah,
then we'll
hope
go
a
one
recovery
by
is
one,
possible.
yeah? So
Let me zoom in.
every episode from now on, we'll theme it via the next thing in the cycle, right?
Wall
So
Street cheat sheet.
So we'll call next week's episode Hope.
I think someone posted this like Solana versus Ethereum maybe, and so they had Solana at the thrill, and they had Ethereum at optimism.
Oh my god! Oh, cringe. I mean,
I'm selling Ethereum.
The guy.
Let me in. Oh, Coke's in. Welcome,
Yeah.
Coke.
Check, check.
You
Bang,
made it.
bang. Zaddy's in the house. What's going on, Coke?
We inspired him.
Yeah. I mean, I was just tuning into the THORChain University chat. So I posted in Discord as well, into the Moralis and into...
Yeah, I'm looking forward to tuning into that. Cheers for
Yeah,
sharing.
the same guy, the Alex or ALUCE, who was actually on, I don't know, was it the private stream on Moralis, who was in and speaking about Maya.
Coke, move closer to the room. I know you've moved place, so you have to sort this. At the moment, you sound like an alien that's been abducted.
Put on a
What do you mean?
balaclava, Coke.
Oh, is it too quiet? What's going on?
We need to see the balaclava.
Oh, no, you saw it. Hey, I didn't bother to put out the lights and stuff, so that's why.
Yeah, we don't want to see the pimples.
The Alex guy, who was in Moralis as well, he actually came out with an awesome proposal, and the good thing is that the thing that he's proposing is actually like a core product for Maya protocol. So Maya has CACAO. CACAO is similar to RUNE, so it's like utility asset, and node providers use it, and also it's paired against all the pools in the protocol. But Maya also has Maya token, and this Maya token gets 10% of the revenue that the Maya protocol generates. And THORChain RUNE didn't have it. For the Maya protocol, it was actually introduced to raise funding. So when they of course started the protocol, they didn't have any liabilities, any debt that they had to pay back. But they used this to fund themselves. And now THORChain RUNE will use the same functionality, the same code, just to get out of the debt. Yeah, so it's exciting. I think it's the best way forward. A lot of code is done because Maya is a clone or the fork of the THORChain, and I guess THORChain will be friendly fork of Maya, at least some aspects of the THORChain. So
is THORChain technically insolvent now? Like it's got more debt than it has than it has assets. It has more liabilities than assets.
Yeah, THORChain never had any assets. So that's the thing. It never had any assets. It just has the killing revenue that they have, and at the moment, a lot of nodes churned out, asked out. If you ask why 30 nodes asked out, I guess some nodes capitulated, but of course, if you bond with a node operator, at least I'm bonded with the what it's called. Let me check. What stake it is? Auto stake. So it works, and you have to DM. He will whitelist you, and why it's in this matter is that if you bond in, you have to stay in at least 2 months, or they have every 2 months they will churn out for 3 days and try to get back in as fast as possible. That's why you cannot flip flop every 3 days. Like, oh, I want to get out, because each time you churn out, somebody gets in, somebody gets out. So those next 3 days you don't get any revenue. So that's why they have those rules in place. If you want to bond with node. Yeah, where was I? Oh, so yeah, THORChain never had any assets. Of course, they have treasury, but I mean, treasury is for treasury stuff. And when they implemented the THORFi, the lending, the synthetic assets, one-sided RUNE pool, this whole idea was built on that RUNE will outperform Bitcoin. And as soon as it does not outperform Bitcoin, things will get bad, because you have to mint more RUNE into the existence to pay back the loans, etc., etc., etc. And that's where people got idea that RUNE will actually Luna death spiral to zero. But they forgot one thing. THORChain cannot death spiral to zero for a simple reason. It has max supply. So the only thing that can happen is that debt gets stuck, and we have to wait like day by day to get people out. So yeah, so that's the core.
Sounds like a massive Ponzi scheme that was based on like leveraged up.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. And that's such a shame that they I think when they even started this thing, the idea was that it doesn't get that out of hands, and they had they had guardrails based. They had the maximum amount of how much people can lend, like no more than this amount of money. But the thing is that if the RUNE and Bitcoin pair goes opposite direction, so the RUNE loses value, Bitcoin goes higher, this problem, even let's say it's a $1 problem to begin, it can go infinite. You know, THORChain THORChain goes lower, Bitcoin goes higher. Although we started with only a 1-to-1 ratio, but if THORChain goes down 3x, so the minus 75%, and Bitcoin goes up, like let's say 2x, it's already let's say it's already then 6x problem. So and this can continue and continue and continue. And if people like, that's the thing, if there's like this single plausible, although you cannot death spiral, but still it can spook out the nodes, LPs. Oh yeah, and it's really bad for LPs. Although you cannot death spiral, but if RUNE goes down, it's really bad for LPs. They have to, they're all paired against the RUNE BTC.
And then they got more RUNE going down and down, then they get more RUNE.
Yeah, exactly. So it's it just hurts the system. And yeah, there's so much.
So can I ask a question? Because I want to just keep the flow of the show going, and then you can carry on. You can carry on. Would you say you're feeling a bit more bullish than yesterday when you said no clear road ahead? Are you feeling a bit more positive than when yesterday you tweeted no clear road ahead?
I would say it's a yes and no. I will back up why. By the way, Theo, you can lower my chat. Oh, can I do it myself?
I just had that because your little picture is there nicely. It kind of shows your little face.
That's true. Yeah. That's me. That's not AI. So why yes or no? Let's wind back like 7 days ago. At that point, we just had the RUNE price dropping. So no nodes churned out, business as usual, so 117 nodes. And although now we have a clear plan ahead, but the thing is that some nodes aped out. Maybe the bonders asked to churn out to get out. Also, SwapKit stopped the providing service on its on X. It's swapkit.dev if you want to show.
Okay.
So, yeah, swapkit.dev. So they are providing rails for like Ledger and stuff. And so the thing, they stopped. So Ledger is not at the moment using THORChain to swap, but they said they will build some guide rails or just like alerts for front end, so people know what's the slippage, yada yada yada, so they can continue. And I think the biggest problem there was so many like mishandled situations. For example, JP Thor used his admin mirroring key to stop lenders to get out. So imagine you have a bird in a cage, but and there's the cage and he's in the cage, but the door is open. He will always go back to the cage to do his swing and be happy there because it is his cage. But as soon as the door closes, so in that sense, the lenders couldn't get the collateral back. They want to get out. The bird doesn't want to get back into the cage anymore because this door is now this like a wild card. Like, is it closed tomorrow? Can I fly tomorrow or not? What's going on? So that spooked a lot of those people who had loans on THORChain, and just this like we already before the JP Thor used his admin mirroring key. Even before that, everybody knew that we have this debt issue. But we implement the Gujira, Solana, and if the Solana is done, we can use integrate SUI, like top most famous popular coins that bring in a lot of revenue. Also XRP, all of those big coins and big boys. They want to use streaming swap, one of the key features of THORChain, to get the best deals, to have like big trades. Like, imagine the market cap of XRP. There is big whales, and I think most of those whales know that XRP at some point it will be forgotten chain. Nobody cares about, especially now, like backstabbing, seeing how they're lobbying and trying to gatekeep everybody and trying to make this alternative to Swift.
Interesting.
And everything was
shade thrown.
Everything was aligned, and people were not panicking because they know, okay, this will we will have a lot of revenue. Also, we will start slowly cutting the block rewards when the revenue goes high enough. At the moment, actually, yesterday and today, let's see. Can you swap back to the Thor swap?
Yeah.
Let's see. THORChain, this dashboard. No, it's your wallet. The Thor. No, this is just the front end to swap. Here. So let's go. Bingo, bango. Let's see. Here we want to see revenue. Let me actually search it on my screen. Boom, boom, boom. Swaps. Swaps. Wait. No. The THORChain.net. That was the correct. I'm trying to find the correct dashboard fast for you.
Right here.
So and then go Insight and Overview. And then the second column, second row. I'll go back to the StreamYard.
Coke, why do you not sound angry at the moment? Like your token, like one of your biggest positions, like has gone down drastically, and your voice sounds super chill. So like, what's going on there? Like, I don't hear any pain. I don't hear any.
There was more pain last week, and that video did 1,000 views.
Hey, no, don't get me wrong. There's still huge pain, huge coping, but let's see.
Strength and pain.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, even if you get hanged, you in the beginning you will like twitch and try to get out of. But yeah, like 10 minutes.
Get more relaxed into it. Yeah.
Yeah. So you face the situation. But look at this on the what is called fees block reward chart nominated. So at the moment we are actually paying normalized. So there on that chart we can see that 95% of the rewards for the nodes and for the LPs come from actually real yield fees, swapping fees. So the idea was to chill, let integrate more chains, so it goes almost like 90 or 100, like below 100, of course, but close to 100, and then there's no issue like switching off the block rewards as well, because the block rewards, the downside is that it's always constant downside selling pressure. And then we get rid of this like block rewards. Then we increase the revenue. We start putting some percentage of the revenue, 5, 10, whatever, to pay back the lenders, and everything slowly like normalizes. But since we closed the door for the cage, the bird freaked out. He's like, no, I don't want to, like, what's going on? Like, that's not normal. So that was one spooky moment. What else? What else? I'm trying to memorize. A lot of bad moves, uncertainty. Also, the thought that happened online, like this, there can be death spiral. This
God,
and that.
that was manipulation. That was like people who wanted to buy cheap RUNE. It felt like Twitter can be an information warfare. You know,
Yeah, it
you
is.
know when
It
people
is.
are just spreading misinformation. You're like, oh, why are you doing this? Do you know what I mean?
And I watched a couple of people who spread the misinformation, and they did it in a clever way. They said anything bad about it,
No,
but they never said what's the counter attack for this bad or how can we fix it, right? So they just
Yeah.
like thought and of course, even now the new proposal, the proposal 6, says that we are going to have 10% of revenue and that will go to the THORChain yield token, so DCW. And people like, oh my God, it's going to take 27 years to pay out the debt. But no, again, they misread the proposal. It doesn't take 27 years. This token will be open traded and it starts trading 0.1. So 10% of the debt value. So whoever sells it right away, he will get a huge haircut. But the person who actually buys this token, he will get 15% APY. And this is indefinitely. It will be hard-coded. It's just like Maya. This will not change. So,
by the way, Theo, what's up with the new display profile photo? Like, where did you get this cool dog?
Oh yeah, I switched to the Bodoggos. That's Nick. That's this guy, wherever he is.
Absolutely.
This
dope.
guy. That's this guy.
Oh, that's him. Sick. I need one of those, bro.
Yeah.
Bro,
It was actually
you
pretty
need to get
cheap.
one
It
of
was like
these
less than
NFTs.
2 Solana.
Is that it? Coke,
Bodog.
we need
But
to
yeah,
go
like
get into
Coke.
these
When I think
NFTs.
of RUNE, I just think of like swaps between Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So that
was
feature is still working.
Yes,
but it's just the price of the token that's affected by all this shenanigans.
I mean, the price of the token. Yeah. How would I word it?
Yeah, like Unga Dunga explained it like I'm 5, right?
Yeah, I mean,
there's a new proposal 6. We were looking at it down here, so it's from Alex Smith.
Yeah.
This guy.
There should be a GitLab link down
I gotta
below.
find the actual GitLab link. Okay, so let me go to this
down
guy here.
below. Or yeah, he is post. Yeah, GitLab
snippets. Okay, yeah, I found it. Unwind proposal. Wow. So this is a different THORFi than the one on AVAX that I found recently, though, because that one's completely done.
Is it the correct one? Savers here.
Like I look at this THORFi, and this is the one that's on AVAX, but this is like a dead project with 0 market cap, right?
That's unrelated. That's
just unrelated. Different logo, same name.
THORFi is just the like functionality on top of THORChain.
Yeah.
But I think this proposal is not correct. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's see. DCY. I don't. Yeah, it's not the correct one.
Oh, sorry.
Let me see. X.com. So let me see if I find it. If I can't find it, you can't find it either.
Yeah, that's true.
And let's go on Alex. Or was it correct? Yeah. You clicked on 9 Realms one. That's the Alex one. You have to click on Alex profile.
Alex profile. Okay, so I'll go back up.
Yep. Alex. Boom. Then scroll down. Do that. This stop. A little bit up. Reply to this. Yep. Click. And in there you have GitLab.
Okay.
And
convert
that's
defaulted debt to TCY equity with no private raise V1.
And that's good. There was a lot of bad proposals as well. Good, bad. Yeah. But this is a good one. I like it. everything is on chain. Everything is you can speculate with the TCI token as well. Some say like, oh, giving away 10% of the yield forever. It's like overpowered. Some say that it's underpowered. Whoever does the calculation wrongly. And I'm like, what's the problem? Like, if it's underpowered, sell it. If it's overpowered, buy it. You can actually buy. And a lot of people say like, ooh, I may like sell my RUNE for this DCY, but that's it depends. It depends. If you are a regular user and you don't have a lot of money and you want to have like a yield-bearing instrument, then RUNE may be not the best option because you have to have at least 10,000 RUNE to bond it, yada yada yada. DMs you have to churn out. But if you buy this DCI, you just get it deposited in your wallet every day, 24/7, once per day.
So that means it's more accessible. There's a lower barrier to entry in terms of earning.
But then you opt out from the speculation of this entire protocol scaling. What if the bonds or what if the stocks, tokenized stocks, governments, the debt instruments get traded there as well? Because always one side of the pool has to be RUNE, and all the node operators have to bond the RUNE as well. So this is the famous 3-to-1 ratio. That's almost to 1 now, close to. We'll see maybe tomorrow the THORChain info bot will.
Looking forward to that. I like to see a nice speculation ratio. I do like that shit. Is that what you're talking about? The 3-to-1.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I meant. And I don't know. I was struggling. Actually, now I was so intrigued about the Maya that they're doing so well. I was trying to find where can I buy this Maya. I remember when we spoke with the Phil as well.
Yeah.
He showed that it's like this. There is no proper. You cannot. No, it's not there. You cannot find it.
Yeah, no, I have Maya in my Thor swap.
You sneaky bastard. That's
Do
incredible.
you?
Like, this guy's
I did all the courses with Phil, right? So you go to like CACAO swap or whatever.
Okay, let's see. What's the?
Is it CACAO swap or is it Mayan Finance or Maya Finance?
Maya protocol.
There's a couple different ones.
Yeah, so you have to understand. It's like THORChain. There is a back end and front end. THORChain is a back end, and now Ledger is a front end. THORSwap is a front end. There's a lot of front ends. But
CACAO, yeah. So I can probably get it from here and then go to the website.
So the CACAO is like RUNE, right? This is the side of the liquidity pool and yada yada yada. So this is not that interesting. I want to see the Maya and let's see what can we find it.
Maya protocol is CACAO.
Yes, Maya protocol, CACAO. It's like THORChain
and RUNE. Yeah, so that's the website I'm on. MayaProtocol.com.
Cool. But let's try to purchase the Maya. So if you hold Maya in your wallet, then you start getting every 1 day you start getting 10% of Maya protocol.
Yeah, I remember that interview they did with the dev. Was it Phil who interviewed the dev from Maya? And he was just saying he liked earning the CACAO every day or whatever.
Yeah, it's the same guy, the AVAX guy, who was actually on the stream that is saving the RUNE as well. Trying to save. Let's see. And good thing is this code is already like battle tested. So it's not like a new code. Of course they will do the audits and stuff and testnet, but still it's like it's better than just like coding from the zero and hoping that economics.
So 48 CACAO worth $13.
Wait, where do you have?
And then
but we want Maya. We want Maya.
Maya is CACAO, dude. Maya chain. Like,
no, you get it mixed up. Let's go to docs. Let's go docs. Then I can.
This might it's a dog. Okay.
No, let's go docs.
Not dogs. Dogs.
Let's go to dogs.
Okay,
that's why it's so crazy. Why a lot of people don't have it.
This is the Maya dog.
Yeah, we don't want this.
Go to the docs of the dog.
It's cute though.
Docs. Does the dog have documentation? We should do one. We should open one.
Where's the docs here? I had it. There it is. Docs. Okay, where are we at? Maya protocol.
Token. Let's go token. Search on the right side.
But the
Nubi.
token, like the ticker's CACAO.
There's 2 tokens in one protocol.
Okay, so show me how.
Go to the search.
Up here.
Yes.
Is the dog?
Token.
Is the wait a second, Coke? Is the dog dev docs inside?
Is
No,
the dog
no.
allowed to have chocolate? That's the real question.
Is the dog allowed to have chocolate?
Who let the docs out?
Who published the docs?
Oh,
No. Maybe on the left side. Let's go on the left side. We see token. Let's do. Yeah.
how to buy cacao?
No, token.
There is no Maya token.
Oh my god. I have to do it again.
Dollar
It
sign Maya
literally says
airdrops
dollar
guide. That's
sign
interesting.
Maya.
Wait.
Is it a Solana meme coin?
No.
It's got to be though. Come on, let me see.
How it works.
Yeah, I found it. First dog. Oh no, first Down syndrome cat. First cat to get deported. First autistic cat.
Theo found it.
Okay, so first cat to get deported looks pretty good.
That one looks
Although there's
I
more
think
volume over on this one.
it may be a wrong one, but close enough.
close enough. You
Oh
get
my God.
10% of every deportation.
I want to go to Maya Docs, but I can't. My mouse is double clicking.
Oh man, you got a single click.
Let's see. Oh wait. What the fuck?
Tier 1 liquidity providers. So we've already passed all the dates here. Nothing to look
Finally.
forward to.
Wait, newbie, relax. I send you the.
Okay.
Hold your docs.
I swear
This
it's like
guy's
listening
pretty
to Sergeant
arrogant for
Pyroman.
someone who. This guy's pretty arrogant calling Theo a newbie when his one token just went down. 50%.
No, it's fair. Like, no, Coke had a very good thesis, but it was a high risk
failed.
thesis, and as a result, you're currently feeling some pain. But everybody's feeling pain right now. All the coins are down, so you're not that freakish. You know, I'm down a bit on BullX. It's not feeling good.
I got into stables at 105. Fuck you.
Well,
guys.
you're a legend, of course. You had the bearish thesis. I remember this
I
like
had
a
the
month
bearish
ago.
thesis at 113.
You
So-
had bearish thesis at
Wait.
69.
Did you open my link? Sent through StreamYards via the private chat.
Private chat, got it. Thank you.
Maya.
for that.
Using
We want to have an additional
internet
option.
straight to
There you
the
go, buddy.
Canada.
Maya token.
Start reading. Start reading out loud like a 5-year-old. I will help you along the way.
All right. Here we have the Maya token. Best way to benefit in Maya passively. We want to have an additional option to participate in our project, and that's why Maya tokens exist. With their profit sharing model, anybody can participate from the fees generated by the protocol.
Good.
Eli
Have a
five?
breather. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue. Next chapter.
Number 1, Maya protocol has been designed to be optimally fair and open. To accomplish this, 2 different tokens are contemplated.
Lied.
First, Maya. Secondly, CACAO. Both tokens can be freely traded and have different and important use cases.
See, 2 tokens. It's as confusing as THORChain and RUNE and all the front end. It's you have to understand internet magical money, Fugazi. It has to be complicated. Nobody understands, so everybody buys.
You need one token that everyone gets wrecked on if the protocol fails, but you need another token.
I tried to when I came on, I tried to say like, hey guys, RUNE is implementing what Maya is doing, but the problem is different. RUNE has debt issue, Maya had a funding issue, but the solution was the yield-bearing token that gets 10% yield from the revenue of the protocol. So Maya, you cannot do this. Let's try to find out together where we can get this motherfucking money.
Yeah, like why is it not on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap?
Because it's like I don't know. It's like what is those dexes called? Like
Dex
it's
screener?
No, it's like those Eldorado decks or like Eldorado front end or something, or like I don't know. It was
Maya
shown
token.
when we had him on Moralis. He actually showed us how to trade, and there was like this ask and no order book. Like people like listed it for some money, and people want to buy and sell, and there's no order book. You know, it's the crazy. I don't know why they do this way. How to buy Maya?
Was it in the bull run course?
I've never taken the bull run course. Hard to tell.
That's right. Too exclusive for you, like a 10-step scavenger hunt. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's weird. Like, I think that it's kind of like gatekeeping users. That's weird. That it's not like openly, publicly tradable. But maybe there's
THORChain, THOR swap part 1 and part 2.
But anyway, I think we are grown-ups. We can ask ChatGPT how to get the hands on Maya. Where is Maya traded?
That is a good call. Okay, I'll just go straight to Grok.
I asked Grok. He's totally out of loop. He tried to shill me the dog coin.
He tried to
my
say
God.
that England needs to have a civil war and that Germany must elect the AFD.
Yeah, but it's true.
Okay,
So-
how can we buy the Maya coin from CACAO?
Eldorado
Is
Dex. I
not
think.
showing on CoinGecko. Eldorado Dex? To acquire CACAO, the native token of the Maya protocol.
Say it.
Maya.
We don't want the native token. We want the yield-bearing, sharing Fugazi token.
The Maya protocol has two primary tokens, CACAO and Maya. While CACAO is the main utility token used within the protocol, Maya serves as a profit-sharing token, allowing holders to participate in the protocol's total revenues.
Yes.
Currently, Maya is not widely listed on major exchanges,
It's
which
not,
may be
we
why
know.
it's not appearing on platforms like CoinGecko. To acquire Maya tokens, you might consider participating in community events, liquidity auctions, or other
What do you mean?
initiatives organized by the Maya protocol team. It's
What do you
advisable
mean
to follow their
community
official
events?
channels, such as their Twitter account.
So do I have to go like local cafeteria get Maya?
I don't know if it's like widely available. Like it's probably just a token that the owners of the CACAO protocol hold.
No, it's widely.
Okay, PG says Maya protocol. How
It
do
is
you
what-
acquire the token CACAO from the Maya protocol? To acquire the CACAO token from the Maya protocol, you can follow these steps: create a wallet, choose an interface such as THOR wallet.
No,
Great.
we don't want cacao. How
Yeah.
to acquire the cacao? We don't want cacao. We want the Maya.
I don't know if we can. Okay.
We should. You
So
know,
we cannot buy it on open market.
we can.
Okay,
I
well,
swear-
show me that you can.
No. I have to DM Phil about
As
that.
of now, the Maya token is not available for purchase on the open market. The Maya protocol team has not yet conducted a public sale or listing for this token.
It is. Who will?
It could be like a false memory trace where you remember
No.
the guy.
It's the cute dog.
No. He showed the interface. I
There's a
remember.
woman. There's a pyramid, and there's a woman in a bikini, and she's wearing a t-shirt. She's got bikini bottom. And
I
she's got
remember
a
this,
t-shirt
yeah.
that says El Dorito.
El Dorado Dex. Let's do it. El
No,
Dorado Dex.
but it's spelled Dorito. I'm on app.eldorito.club.
Okay, man. As Thor Wallet, El Dorito Market, Rango Exchange, Asgard Dex, Swapper, DeFi Spot, CACAO Swap. Yeah, no, I think we're good on that, PG. That's just the CACAO token, though, but I appreciate you.
Yeah, we want Maya. $sign. I know it. I remember it was. It
El
was-
Dorito.
No, it wasn't. It was the blue. The
Okay, let's go to DeFi
website was-
Llama.
website was blue.
I remember the pyramid, yeah. Okay, then we'll type THORChain.
What for?
So we can find all the protocols.
When you say that
Maya
you want to
protocol.
buy Maya token, do you mean you want to buy Cacao token? I'm just joking. I'm trolling.
Yes.
Maya chain?
I say yes.
Maya protocol.
There is such a thing as like false memory. Like you remember the guy on Phil's show, like showing you how to buy Maya, but maybe he was showing you how to buy Cacao. And your memory says like really loud, oh no. he showed
Oh, I
us how
found
to
it.
do
Look.
What
It
did
was
you
El
find?
Dorito.
Do you like the woman in the bikini?
You sure?
Oh,
But-
you nailed it.
No, but there was not. It wasn't on Dex. That's what I'm saying. It was like this. The people put out like ask and beats, but it wasn't like automated AMM. there was no liquidity pool. You had to like, if you want the Maya,
yeah, I understand. Yeah.
you just had
Like on
to
a centralized exchange, a fucking order book.
It was exactly like order book, but no pool behind it. So you cannot just, you have to accept whatever he says. And it was like this. And it wasn't on, I think it wasn't on Tortilla exchange. It was something else.
Maya. No
Maya?
matching
No,
results.
you're not going to find it there. It's like, no.
I can ask Phil.
So
Where can I
GP
buy
Phil.
Maya?
Oh my god, look at RUNE. Dump. Still dumping. It's dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
It's ranging between the 200 and the 120 on the 5
It's
minute.
called consolidation.
It's coiling up. It's ready to pop.
I don't know.
There's the W boys right there. Boom.
There's no W. Exactly.
On the RSI, maybe.
There was a M, not W. What
Like
time
this
frame
big
is
M?
Yeah.
First, let's wait for the M to play out all the way to
Oof.
To the 0.
0.000124 Bitcoin.
Why? This is Bitcoin dumping as well. I mean, Bitcoin is dumping.
True. And alts are dumping. Goddamn. Have you seen alts this week? Do you mind commenting on the wider market for us, Coke?
It's pain first, gain after.
Nice. Short.
It makes sense that we cannot follow the same playbook, exactly the same playbook every 4 years.
Every cycle.
Yeah, it
plays differently.
That kind of the thing about markets, it's always arbitraging. Yeah, it's unpredictable, and it arbitrages always the past knowledge. Yada. It's not markets if it would be always the same.
No, exactly.
Yeah, it would be called pre-money glitch.
And that's my beef with Rom and Matt. It's like, it doesn't matter what thesis I bring or like what news I bring or what angle. They'll just come back with like, oh yeah, alt season, last year of the cycle ends, you know what I mean? And like they don't get like the it's interesting that it can't repeat itself. Like you said, that's not how markets work.
It rhymes, and like stuff go up, stuff go down, stuff breaks. Hashtag THORChain, but yeah, it cannot be just the same.
But Burbs coming
no,
into question,
why
is Maya so important? Is it worth the quest?
I wanna. What is the?
If we could ever get the Maya token, I'm sure it would be very much worth the quest, because we'd be the only ones in the world holding it.
I want to know what's the
other than the founders. Maybe we could like start a WhatsApp group with like 300 different founders and create this like network of millionaires and billionaires, and then ask them for some Maya tokens.
Oh, actually, the Steve. Wait. I remember the Steve actually told on stream that he's holding Maya. Wait, let's go X. I'll ask.
See, you already know somebody holding Maya. That's perfect. Just peer to peer.
Phil holds Maya as well.
I hold CACAO.
No, but Maya, it's different.
I know. I know it is.
So is Maya like a fork of Thor? And how do you feel about forks in general, like forks of protocols? Like, give us some other examples of where like forks have been beneficial and not detrimental, and then some examples in crypto space where forks have been overall detrimental.
I think that it depends on fork, but in this case, this fork, CACAO and Maya fork made sense because they had different dev teams. And Maya, as you see, Maya protocol is integrating different routes to different coins. Of course, they have ETH and Bitcoin because they forked, but like going forward, they implement different tokens they want to route. So this benefits THORChain as well, because then now THORChain, if it doesn't have native integration to the token that Maya has, you can swap through Maya RUNE pool, and still get it for the client. So in overall, like when it comes to decentralization of the native assets, it's net gain.
But then, wouldn't you say like if someone forks your protocol, it's kind of like stealing your swag or like stealing your whole code base just so they can make a profit? Like, what was the what was their justification for forking the whole of Thor?
Because Maya wanted to approach smaller chains, unknown chains, like
this is
I
the
think
thing
that
with like
maybe I didn't look into the back end. Maybe it's just the infrastructure for THORChain is really expensive. I heard it's like $5K per month on AWS. So maybe Maya, since it has less on the line, smaller liquidity pools, maybe it's I don't know, but there's a reason for madness for sure.
You can earn 50% yield here on USDC
50?
and 94% APR on USDT.
I don't know if it's working. Maybe it's this. I don't know. I no comment on that. I do know the THORChain like ins and outs now. I cannot comment on Maya.
Yeah.
But I know there's this magical token that we haven't got yet. Oh yeah, I was supposed to DM the Steve.
Well, Maya by its very nature means like to dream or something that doesn't quite exist in reality. So it's good branding considering that we can't actually find it. It was like a fever dream, this idea of Maya. One day we can buy it.
Proof of Steve. That's DM. I was
PG is on it right here.
watching the last stream and you mentioned
Oh, you're messaging Phil?
no, the proof of Steve.
Proof of Steve.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question? Like, I think this is what frustrates me. Can I say something? When I listened to Ivan's latest video where he didn't do live, he did like an interview, which is kind of like he talks about like ETH versus Sol, and then he goes on for like 5 minutes, and then he starts talking about Solana versus ETH. Solana is going to capture all the new projects. He's talking about like big enterprise coming into the space, right? But then this whole, so Moralis is kind of focused on like wherever the bullish momentum is in terms of like making money on trading and like holding tokens for 6 months and then selling, and then but then there's this whole other thing of like all these small projects with all this technology, like I'm just hearing about CACAO for the first time, or Maya protocol, whatever.
You should not. You were on the Moralis community. We had it. We had them on, and there's a bull run course, and you should.
Well, you can't really talk though, Coke. You didn't do the bull run course either.
Shut up. Factually true.
Well, you're trying to give him a hard time for not doing the bull run course. You just said you didn't do it.
Factually true, but
hypocrite much.
Yeah.
Hypocrite much.
So, did you do the bull run on Maya and CACAO?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
I did. I have to go find the episode though, and then I can't even watch it on stream because I'm not on Chrome.
So even if you do the bull run course, you have like a memory loss and it's zero knowledge gain for you.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's why I'm 76% done the bull run course. I'm currently stuck on the Cello Finance episodes. There's like 7 of them in a row. I'm like, really? We're doing this? But yeah, it's back here. CACAO swap, Thor swap.
Maybe we can. I can go Discord, Moralis Discord, and see. Do I find the video?
Tell Phil to come on the stream here. Just send him the link. I'll pay him. He can invoice me. It's all good. There we go. Thor swap. Okay, guys.
Do the intro.
Classic episodes.
Do the intro.
No, I'm not doing it on command. That's very rude.
Oh.
It's only when it's a surprise.
The bad thing about the Discord is I think they self-destruct the This week we are revisiting Maya protocol, checking out the first hand, the new Arbitrum network integration, Maya no, the heck? Oh, for example, yeah, Maya was integrating Radix.
That's what's up. Bless you.
God bless you.
Gesundheit.
Is this with that Phil?
Asgardex.
So while hype tokens consolidating 40%, consolidating, and fart tokens consolidating 60%, and Trump coin is and PENGU is consolidating 65%. Colony is down 15%.
Well, slow down. Go one by one. So HyperLiquid's having some trouble.
Oh, by the way,
trouble.
By the way, like HyperLiquid, it's just conspiracy. Like, you know, info hat, get it ready.
I think so.
Everybody is saying like, oh, HyperLiquid this, HyperLiquid that, but everybody is expecting the airdrop from HyperLiquid. Since the first airdrop was such a success, why should you leverage trade on Bybit? So it's kind of like.
Well, we can't do Bybit in Canada, but yeah, I prefer like Jupiter. I think
it's not like wash trading, but it's incentivized trading. As soon as the incentivization is gone, I think a lot of people will fade on.
Wasn't it HyperLiquid that had all these weird tokens though? Like I guess like Bybit would, but it's a good option for someone in Canada.
AI16Z, AIXBT, Melania. You can short all sorts of fruity tokens. It's a lot of fun, and I like the font. And I like the fact that I don't have to face docs myself, like a casting couch.
It's got a good color scheme.
ID type shit. I'm not, so it's all incentivized. Well, isn't the incentive you can make money for a lot of people, especially these Asians? While we're asleep, they're dumping on us. They're shorting while we're trying to get a little nap. They're like crashing the market in real time.
Yeah, apparently they did well on the Trump token. Did you watch that Gerhard video?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it was all about the Asians, wasn't it?
That was interesting. Yeah, because it dropped at like 9 p.m. my time, and then everyone went to sleep, and then Asia woke up and started trading it. Right?
No.
What was the other one you mentioned? You said hype first, and then
FARTCOIN.
Yeah, I sold FARTCOIN, and then the third one. That was what I really wanted to focus on, but I can't remember now what it was.
I mentioned Colony and Melania and Trump.
Yeah, I'm not sure. There was another one in there that I wanted to take a look at. Oh, PENGU. You mentioned PENGU.
PENGU. Yeah, you cheated.
So I sold PENGU, and then I actually just bought it back because I really want to be included in future airdrops. And Lucas said that if you believe in him, you'll be rewarded, sort of thing. So I'm going to keep holding PENGU, sort of in the same way I hold JUP, that I don't care about the price, but I just need it for the allocation, essentially.
What about LUCE?
No, LUCE is dead. Fuck off.
I'm sure.
Oh wow! Remember,
PENGU's a pristine asset, and you compare it.
He was buying it over here.
Compare it to a hole like LUCE.
What about the jelly, my jelly? I read that the whales are.
I saw that.
Well,
and I
it's
think
all
I
about
bought
this game that they play. Like, oh, is it going to get listed on the CX? Let's accumulate before the market
jelly
makers
to jelly.
Supposedly, whales were accumulating at 100. Market cap.
Yeah, look, I bought it up here at 150 where he told me to. He's like, whales are accumulating here at 150. I was like, okay, let me get in. And then sell it at 36. So just nightmare fuel.
Oh, it's even worse than RUNE then.
Yeah.
And you don't have future proposal to get it up.
No, you guys go straight Viagra to the dome.
Oh, wow. Avalanche down 10% to Bitcoin today. Ouchie wouchie. This is frustrating about AVAX. Ooh, big 10% in the last 24 hours.
Frustrating about crypto?
Yeah, I don't think I'm cut out for this stuff, guys.
Yeah, I can't take it. My heart's giving up. And I'm getting old. Like, I'm losing hair over this shit.
No, AVAX is coming back. I found the bottom. Look at that. Boom.
One green candle. Give us a break.
It's not
tiny little.
What is this, a bottom for ants?
tiny little green Korean
depends.
penis.
Depends on the time frame here on the.
Actually, if you go
10
1
minute-
second, 1 second time frame, I bet there's many green candles.
I think 5 minutes the lowest, or 3 minutes the lowest I'm allowed to go with Wizard here.
Yeah, I get like sketchy.
He told me
under
3 to 5.
minutes.
No,
On the
go
1 minute, he gets
second.
upset.
1 second, not 1 minute.
No,
Okay, on the 3 minute,
3
there's
minutes.
2 green candles in a row.
Woof! Two tiny
hammer
Korean
dildos.
penises touching each other.
That's inappropriate.
Yeah, I guess the tiny penis is all that matters for wizards.
That makes me uncomfortable.
ZRO. This is one of Rom's favorites. He likes to trade it when things get volatile. I like to enter a ZRO position. That's a quote from Rom Reactor.
What does it do?
It just-
ZeroLend?
Not much. You know what I mean?
Zero's your bankroll.
Exactly.
Zero's
So
your bank.
what about AI? Let's cycle through some AI. Show us Eliza OS. Show us it.
Layer 0. Okay, Eliza AI 16Z on the hourly.
Beautiful. Look at it go.
Perfection.
Perfection.
Let me close my short here. Okay, cool. Yeah, so not quite a bottom just yet. But I'm thinking it's one of those like tough weekends, and then Monday is gonna pop, right? Because it's Sunday right now.
Prove it.
Coke, when does this consolidation end? Is it when Bitcoin reaches 91, or is it
Today's
when
the
little
bottom.
hand touches the big hand, or is it when what happens?
That's a good one. That's why we have to be predictive. Can't we just see the W's happening and then
Love
just
it.
go?
Just open up the 3 minutes, guys. Check out those W's. Set your stop loss and get a little bit wavy.
The rational investor.
Turtle trader.
Shout out
book-
NFT.
I've got my
and every-
title trader book just there.
Do you?
Yeah.
Show
Shouts
it.
out NFT Eve. Big love. Sexy voice.
I mean, it's up to you.
Yeah, no
Not
judgment.
allowed to. I'm not allowed to agree with you.
That's
You're
right.
the admin. You're like ex-Moralis employee. You're too official for that. You used to have a job at Moralis. No sexual comments from Coke because he's just too level-headed. He's always saying the balance thing. He's just a cool guy. Like he might as well have his hand in his pockets, like with a cigarette coming out of his mouth, because he's
just a chill
just
guy.
a chill guy.
Just a chill
Yeah.
Coke.
Coke.
What happened to chill meme? It was 2 days. It was cool, and then it's chilled out.
Well,
Chill
everything
out for
died.
real.
Like all the memes died.
After Trump.
This is max pain. We have to have max pain before the big hammer dildo to the upside.
Meme apocalypse.
Whoop.
Did that actually? I feel like the Trump coin actually pulled all the liquidity out,
That's a fact.
That is so true. Yeah.
and they just pocketed the liquidity. And same happened when it comes to AI. There was the triple V's. The
Triple V's. Tell us more about Triple V's.
Oh
Coke.
yeah, VVV. What was that all
Black
about?
Pillars on VVV.
that was released. One of the
Venice Token.
Yeah,
That's it, Venice. Black
Didn't
Pillars on
Gerhard
Venice.
do a video on this? Venice?
yeah,
It
they
did, yeah. So Black Pillars on Venice, Coke.
No, it was released from one of the OG crypto guys as well, and imagine like virtuals AI 60 doesn't get the.
Nastorovia.
Wait, there's more to
Nastorovia, Babsy.
come. There's more come. Anyway, they still not listed on Coinbase. Especially virtual is super weird because it's like the main AI
big
token
thing.
on base, right? You should,
Yep.
but no. Instead, you get the triple V, and it's on Coinbase.
That gets
day
listed
one.
24 hours after it's
Day
token
one.
TG. Day win.
Day
It's
one,
amazing.
and then dump it. They hit the they hit the sell button.
It's still
Because you
$3.
cannot affect the price, can't you? You can dump. No, you will affect the price. What am I talking about? So why do they? Yeah, okay, that's what happens when.
So imagine you get listed like 2 billion or whatever the market cap was, and now it's like
yeah.
300 zillies. So yeah,
The team and the insiders had a lot of it.
yeah.
And they all needed some money after losing.
And they all cheated.
Look at ZeRebro on the 10 minutes dumping like a bitch. Wow, it's time to open the 3 minutes on some of these tokens, man. It's time to open up that 3-minute chart.
Okay, let's go. Wow.
I need multiple tabs.
Max
on
Pain.
These juicy tokens.
We're witnessing the bottom
No, we're
in
not.
real time.
If you look at the...
Yeah, look, it's all red here. It's all blue there.
Let Coke speak. Let the man speak.
Go ahead.
Why are we not reaching the bottom? Keep going, Coke.
No, if you look at the daily of Bitcoin, it's just... I mean, there's so much room for downside. Look at this. Like, can't we get the... Yeah.
Bearish.
RSI is super weak. RSI is 43. Oh my god.
This green 55 has always been pretty
45.
good support.
Officially weak. 43 is weak on the daily. And that's a combination of like longs getting liquidated, people taking profits, Asians dumping on Europe and America. And it's also a combination of people capitulating, like short-term speculators who bought at 99, thinking it was going to go immediately to 130. So
a billy tomorrow. Yeah. So there is hurry up and do nothing at the moment. You have to just day by day look at the V's, get in.
Dollar cost average the whole way down.
No.
Why not?
Oh, you can. Why do you have to dollar cost average when there's no V's available? At least wait for some kind of structure.
Well, whether we're absolute bottom or close to the bottom, I think this is probably a great entry for a lot of coins if you're bullish on them. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, buy some RUNE.
Some butthole coin, maybe?
My butthole is clean. I don't buy those coins. Maybe you want to dick in your butt or dick
nice
in the butt?
Little dip. Yeah, a little finger in the butt. Make you feel good.
You guys, you're making me feel anxious.
Sorry, I was trying to do the Coke joke.
You pulled it off perfectly, Theo. To be honest.
Yeah.
Doing my best to host this in a
Pulled
professional
off better
way.
than Coke would. You always do good at that. You're host number one. You have a future at this hosting thing.
Amber says in and out 10 minutes.
What do you mean?
No, okay, 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
The finger?
10 minutes. No, shut up, Coke. No.
3 minutes.
What are you?
Okay, we're on 3 minute on RUNE. What are we looking for here? W's? We're on W hunting.
Let me pull out the...
Pull out the chart.
Yeah, that's so. I look at the Bitcoin. I mean, I look at the Binance chart. It has the most volume.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me.
3 minutes. What do we
RUNE
have?
On that is the RUNE Binance.
We have a nothing burger at the moment. Yeah.
So perfect entry right here
Perfect entry for chaos.
for RUNE. So how do I buy RUNE? Like on an exchange or?
Oh, it's everywhere. It's Binance, Kraken, everywhere, plus on chain.
Okay, so just take a huge position on Kraken for RUNE.
You had the THOR swap. You can use that. You can use Maya protocol to trade for RUNE. You can have the Tortilla swap, or what was it called? Yeah, that one.
Let me see here. Dorito. Okay, let's say I want to trade all my Bitcoin for RUNE.
Yeah, it should be fine.
THORChain RUNE or THOR. Okay, there's a different token called THOR.
I think it's the THOR token is for the THOR front end, so not this one.
So THOR was rebranded to THORFi?
No, the THOR token is for the front end.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so Bitcoin Max trade, no route available. I think Dorito's broken.
Maybe.
Or maybe I need to get some Dorito tokens.
There is this token called THOR. It's not the RUNE protocol. It's not the THORChain protocol. The THORChain main token is RUNE.
No. It says
there's two
THOR
confusing.
chain.
Then there's two confusing things, right?
Look,
there's THOR token,
THORChain,
which is
RUNE
THOR
THORChain.
swap. It's kind of like like Trader Joe is to Avalanche. THOR swap is to THORChain. Like it's kind of like Uniswap is to Ethereum, THORSwap is to THORChain. So don't get your, because then you've got THORFi, which is this bastard leverage thing that was built on top of RUNE.
On top, yes, correct.
Whole lot of trouble now.
Wizard, correct.
It just seems like a branding error here.
So patronizing, Coke. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Who booted him? Who cheated?
Thanks so much to Coke for joining us. Always a pleasure.
Should we just hang out in Discord now? Because I'm jonesing for a fag.
Yeah, I think we're about there. So yeah, let's wrap it up here. Thanks so much everybody for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks, guys. Follow me on Twitter. I'm larger than life there.
Yeah, I think you can put !Discord in the chat, and the invite will pop up. Or if you're on YouTube, it's in the description underneath as well.
Twitter, you're a wizard, Justin. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll do the after party. Okay, bye everybody. Thanks so much.